Alright, we are here at Miss Daisy's house. We are tearing down sheetrock and demolishing the place. No, just kidding.
We really are.
Put your masks on. We really are, though. Masks on. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so this is the house. Pretty old country house in the middle of backwoods, Plaquemines Parish, where there's population 5 people and 50 bears. Go inside. As you can see, the house is pretty much destroyed, thanks to Isaac. You see there's a lot of mold, the sheetrock, insulation. So basically what we're doing is taking down all of this sheetrock because it's moldy. So as you can see, it was a pretty decent looking house on the inside. You got a really big fireplace. Say hi to the video. Alright, everybody. So what we have been doing is taking down all of the sheetrock and making it hollow, like such. This was the bathroom, I believe. Excuse me.
I said, oh no.
That was happening to me. Like, I was like, bro, like, nobody must be in my house because it's freezing.
Yes, I'm like, we don't, if it's 73 degrees or higher, we do not need the air on. I mean, 73 degrees.
Then if we go up the steps,
No, we can't control it, but it won't go off.
so this is the second story. Looks a little bit better than the first, but as you see, there's still mold. So what's insane to me is when you come inside of here, this is all the way to the second story. That line you see on the wall, that's the water line. So the water went all the way up to that level during Hurricane Isaac here in Plaquemines Parish. They said the water line, the water actually reached out here harder than it did in Katrina. I mean, but that's out here. I mean, of course, Isaac hit New Orleans less than it did Katrina. But out here, it hit Plaquemines more than Katrina, so. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Now, if you look outside, you'll see that this is one of those very country Louisiana towns. So like I said, there's just about 5 people. So, this has been pretty real. This has been pretty real, and yeah, that's a wrap.